Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you how to change Instagram notification sound on Android. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you want to change the Instagram notification sound on your Android device here, well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to exit the actual app. Now, the thing with Instagram itself, you're going to look for settings specifically inside the Instagram app. Well, you won't see any option to change the actual sound. Now, for you to change the sound, you need to access the system settings inside your phone for Instagram. So this one is fairly easy to also access. Now, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and look for Instagram, press and hold on it, and you should see this pop up here. Now, from here, you want to go and click on the eye icon next to the trash can icon here. So that's the eye that has a circle on it. Let's go and click on it. And this should open up app info. Now, if you don't know how to access this, and just in case this does not work for you, well, you could also access this by going to your settings, scroll down a bit here, and you want to look for the app section. And once you are in the app section, you want to go and look for Instagram. Let's go and just wait for this to load up. Let's go and click on, or let's go and just type in Instagram and search for it. If you don't see that, you can go back again, Instagram, and just make sure it's correctly spelled. And you can go and just access this one, and you'll be able to see the same window. Now, in here, what you need to do is you want to look for notifications. Let's go and access notifications. Inside notifications, what you need to do is you want to go and scroll down a bit here, and you want to go ahead and just access whichever notification that you may want to manage. So, as an example, maybe I want to change the sound for my messages. Let's go and click on messages. Now, from here, as you can see right now, there are going to be different options for me. I have show notifications, vibration, on the lock screen, and also the sound section. Now, let's go and click on sound. Now, in the sound section, this totally depends on what device you currently have right now. Now, in some cases, it may have its own UI, but the steps are going to be pretty much the same thing here. So, in this case, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and just look for or search for any sounds that you may want to use. Like, for example, maybe I want to use the nature sound here. And from here, you want to go ahead and just basically select the sound that you may want to use. Let's go and choose this one. And if you want to hear it, you can go and click on the actual sound here so that you can basically hear what's going to actually sound. Let's go and just disable the silence here. You can go ahead and click on it. Go ahead and click on the select tone. So that's the ringer at the right side. Click on OK. Now, once you've selected that, as you can see, it's now set to a different sound. Now, obviously, you can go and do more depending on what system or what app your phone uses for managing the sounds for, but that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.